Alright, welcome to my channel. This is Locksport. What I got today is it's package day, but I'm going to try to do out of package pick on a challenge lock. I think there may be a couple in here from Nick VT, but let's see. Yep. So let's see. Whose is this? It looks like it's wrapped in a nice little cloth. Let's see, who is this? What is this? Alright. So, Hobson's Choice, number by Tenny. Ooh. I'm definitely not trying that one out of the pack. And what is this one? Alright, come on. Let's cut it this way. I know y'all screaming, don't cut your finger. I'll cut the lock. One or the two. I'd rather cut my finger than the lock. Or scratch the lock. Alright, so this is Furst by Picking-Paul. Alright, so I'm assuming that's the key for one of them. I'm going to leave that wrapped up there, and we're going to give this Furst a go. So, let me change one thing. Nope, not that. Focus. I'm gonna make sure I'm focused on the lock the entire time and not my hands or nothing else changing. Alright. And as always, I forget my light. I need to just figure out a way to wire that so it's on all the time. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Let's try 0.8 first. May get a 1 in there. We got a 1 out already. 1.5. There's a 1. Maybe I'll go 1.2. Where did 1.2 go? I know I had it out. Maybe I didn't. Okay. There, no, none over there. I swore I had it. Alright, make sure I ain't got it in my hand. 1.3. Where'd my 1.2 go? This is why you should clean up before you start making a video. Alright, so 1.2. Let's see what we got here. Not quite big enough for a 1.2. If I had a 1.1 or something, that would fit better. So I'm going to try top of keyway there. Alright, so what to try? I'm going to try a reach first. So I'm going to go in, finding a binder. Alright, feels like number 3. Oop, and I'm moving in my vise. Tighten my vise up. Alright. Alright. Slight movement on 3. Gotta click out 4, I think. Can't get under 5 with that one. Let's try this one. So go on that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oop, just tapped somebody and went into a little bit of a false set. 2, 3, 4, 5. Not getting any feedback whatsoever. Just keep tapping for a second, see if anybody wants to move. Alright, got a slight click out of 1, 2. Alright. So I'm going to go to a little bit deeper hook, or let me try back to the reach first. 1, 2, 3. Possible counter on something on 3. Or am I moving 1 in front of it? 1. Nope, 2 solid. 3. Oop. Just gave it a nudge and it quit countering. 4. Stuck under 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Yeah. Throw the gauntlet at it. Alright, short hook. 1, 2 is hard to get under, but it's binding. 3, 4, slight counter on 5 maybe. Okay. 2's bound hard. That's got to be, assuming either it's low set. It's probably a gatekeeper. Okay. Having to wiggle around 2, so we'll need a deeper hook to get around 2. Alright, so check 1. 2 is rock solid. 3 is springy. 4, getting under 5. Got a slight click on 5. Still getting a little bit of counter on, maybe not. Slight counter. I'm going to leave that for now. Alright, countering on 6. Alright, got to click out of 6. So let's go back through 1. Let's see, go to 1. 2 is still rock solid. Slight counter on, assuming that's 3. Sorry, I'm going to turn this, get my hand at a better angle. Alright, who's countering? Oop, got a slight click on 3 or 4. It's hard to keep track when I'm having to go up and under. There's the pin. Just kind of feeling. Okay, so I'm going to go all the way to the back, pull my pick forward until I run into somebody. That one, the back one, 5 or 6. I'm assuming it's 6 because there's 6 on the top. 5 is binding fairly tightly. Let's see, no wiggle. 4, no wiggle. 3 gave me a crunch. Okay. 2 is rock solid still, and I'm gonna check 1 on the way out. 1's springy all the way up. Alright, so keep going to the back, checking everybody. Okay, so feels like 6 is pretty solid. 5 feels pretty solid. 4, 3, is that 3? Okay, check 1 again. Okay, 2, get short. Let me just check it with something short. I don't want to over set it trying to get the pin under. It's still rock solid. It's not giving any feedback, so I'm gonna make sure I leave 2 alone. 1 feels good. Let's go to a deeper hook and see if I can get right behind number 2. Maybe 3 is a high lift. Let's see. There's 1. There's 2. And there should be 3 right here. If I can wiggle my pick back onto that warding without oversetting. Okay. Move to check 4. Slight click out of 5. Hopefully that won't overset. Okay. Sorry, I don't want this to go too long. Give it a valiant effort, at least, before I call it. Oop, I just tapped somebody and I went into a false set. Who did I tap though? Hope I didn't do an overset on. No, I still feel like I'm good on 2. Go back to 3. Really really deep false set, I think. Looks pretty deep. Let's see, 1, 2, that should be 3 right there. Okay, a couple clicks. Still springy. Oop, and still springy. Okay, go to 4. Is 4 countering? Possibly. I just want to make sure that's the pin and not me causing it to counter. I have been known to do that to myself. Give myself my own feedback from twisting the pick and stuff. Alright, so I can't get onto that warding with that one, so I'm going to switch. Make sure I'm not trying to twist and give myself false feedback. Okay. No, I think I was giving myself some false feedback there. Not really any strong countering. Got a click back in the back though. Another click. Another. I think that may be me just slipping off the pins. Let's see, 1, 2, still bound hard. 3. Where's 3? Where'd you go, 3? Okay. Switch to a shorter hook because I think I'm giving myself counter rotation by trying to twist my pick around the warding. I don't know if there's that counter. It's hard to tell. Possibly. I'll say yes, and we're going to go for it. I hear a lot of clicking. And nope, that was me starting it all over. Really? Knucklehead. Okay, so I gave myself, took away my false set because I was feeling my own counter rotation. See if we can get back to where we were. Try to leave 2 alone. I think I just, let's see, 1, 2, I think I just, okay. Maybe I set 2, maybe 2 wasn't on no lift. It was sure making me think it was. Went deeper. Am I in a trap? Okay, there's one. Come on, where's the two? Two. Three gave a click. Four feels solid now. Five. Six. Oops, six gave a click. Who's that? Okay. A little bit deeper hook. One, two, counter three. Is that counter? No, I don't think so. Four. Oh, and we're open. All right. I think that's open. Make sure it ain't a trap. I don't want to go too far. Yep. So that is open. It only took about, about 15 minutes. And I just light it back up. That's fine. But anyway, so that is Furst by Lock Picking Paul. That's a very fun challenge lock. So I'm not going to get it. It's already long enough video. I'm sure other people have getted it. So I will send this on to the next person. All right. Thanks for watching.